Imagine you're a freelancer or a small business owner based in Nigeria, and you've just landed a big client from the United States or Europe. You're excited about the opportunity, but then a nagging question pops up. Can my bank, Tide, handle international payments? That's the question we'll be answering today. In this video, we'll dive deep into Tide Bank and its capabilities when it comes to international transactions. So, let's get started. Understanding Tide Bank. Tide is a digital bank that's gaining popularity among entrepreneurs and small businesses in Nigeria. It offers a range of financial services, including business accounts, debit cards, and payment processing. But can it handle the complexities of international payments? International payments, a brief overview. Before we delve into Tide's capabilities, let's quickly recap what international payments are. Essentially, they involve transferring money across borders. This can be done in various ways, such as wire transfers, credit card payments, and online payment gateways. Tide's international payment features. Now, let's explore how Tide equips its customers to handle international payments. Here are some key features to consider. Multi-currency accounts. One of the most significant advantages of Tide is its ability to offer multi-currency accounts. This means you can hold and manage funds in multiple currencies, such as USD, Euro, and GBP. This can be incredibly helpful for businesses that deal with clients or suppliers in different countries. International transfers. Tide allows you to send and receive international transfers. You can easily transfer funds to and from other countries using the bank's online platform or mobile app. Payment acceptance. If you're selling goods or services online, Tide provides tools to help you accept payments from international customers. You can integrate their payment gateway into your website or online store. Exchange rates. When dealing with international payments, exchange rates play a crucial role. Tide typically offers competitive exchange rates, ensuring that you get the best value for your money. Real-world examples. To illustrate how Tide's international payment features can benefit businesses, let's look at a few real-world examples. Freelancer from Lagos. A Nigerian freelancer who works with clients in the United States can easily receive payments in USD using their Tide multi-currency account. They can then convert the funds to Naira if needed. E-commerce store. An online store based in Ibadan that sells products internationally can use Tide's payment gateway to accept payments from customers around the world. Small business owner. A small business owner who imports goods from China can use Tide to make international payments to their suppliers. Potential challenges and considerations. While Tide offers a range of international payment features, it's important to be aware of potential challenges and considerations. Fees. Some banks may charge fees for international transfers or currency conversions. It's essential to check Tide's fee structure to understand the costs involved. Processing times. International payments can sometimes take longer to process compared to domestic transactions. Factors like the countries involved and the payment methods used can influence processing times. Regulatory compliance. Businesses dealing with international payments need to comply with relevant regulations and laws. Tide can provide guidance and support in this area. So, can Tide Bank receive international payments? The answer is yes. The bank offers a range of features that make it suitable for businesses that need to handle international transactions. From multi-currency accounts to payment acceptance, Tide can help streamline your financial operations. However, it's important to carefully consider your specific needs and research the potential challenges and costs associated with international payments. By understanding Tide's capabilities and limitations, you can make an informed decision about whether it's the right bank for your business. If you're looking for a reliable bank to handle your international payments, Tide is definitely worth considering. Visit their website or contact their customer support for more information. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.